Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to download and install PyTorch in Windows. So the prerequisite for this video is you must be having Python installed on your system. So if you don't have Python, just click on the card that is appearing on top. I've done an entire video on that. So if you have Python, let's get started. So first thing, just Google PyTorch download. You'll be getting the link over here. Click that. And here just click on get started, and we'll be having this start locally thing. Just scroll down, and this is the PyTorch version that we will be getting. And here is a note: PyTorch requires Python 3.9. The latest Python version is Python 3.13. So by default it will be in pip, and the compute platform is CUDA. So if you don't have CUDA on your system, you need to select CPU. Okay, so basically you need to just open command prompt and run this command. Okay, you just need to run this command. So I will just copy this command, go to command prompt, paste it, and run this. So you may be getting an error like this. The reason why we are getting this error is because I have the latest version of Python and PyTorch could not match with that version. So if I do Python -- version, I'm having Python 3.13, so that's like literally the latest version. So to solve this, let's just go and install some older version of Python like 3.10, 11 or 12. So I'll just go here, Python download, and here if you just scroll down, we will be having the older versions of Python. So I'll just go with 3.11, and if I scroll down, here we will be having the Windows installer 64-bit. You can just click this. Open it and make sure that you are checking it over here, and click on install now, and just click on close, and also make sure that you are closing the existing command prompt. Okay, so now if I open command prompt and run the command python space -- version, we'll be getting the current version that we just installed right now. So basically the latest version that we install overrides with the existing version because I didn't change any environment variable path. Okay, so I'll just go here again, copy the same path that I'm having. If you're having CUDA, you need to go with the CUDA command. Open command prompt, paste this, and run it. And this time here you can see I am not getting any errors. So that's it, PyTorch has been installed now. So to confirm this, let me just open the Python shell. Just type Python and we'll be getting the Python shell over here. Run this command. So just put this over here, hit enter, and we aren't getting any errors, which means that we have successfully installed PyTorch. So let me just also find the version, and I'm getting the version. So that's the video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. I've done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.